If you want to know how to highlight text in Photopea, this quick tutorial will show you the easiest way to create a clean, blocky highlight effect behind your words. This is perfect for making text stand out in thumbnails, posters, social posts, or any design where you want that classic marker style look. And if this video helps, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy Photopea tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in Photopea and make sure your text is already on the canvas. The easiest way to create a highlight effect is by using a shape behind the text, so we're going to build that from scratch. Step 1. Go to the toolbar on the left side of the screen and select the rectangle tool. You can find it by looking for the shape tools and the shortcut is U. If you don't see it right away, click and hold the shape tool icon until the rectangle option appears. Step 2. Look at the top options bar. Here you'll see the fill setting. Click the coloured square next to fill and choose a bright highlight colour. A neon yellow is the classic choice, but green, cyan or pink can also work depending on your design. For the cleanest highlight look, make sure stroke is set to none. That means there won't be any outline around the shape and the effect will look more like a real highlighter mark. Step 3. Click and drag on the canvas to draw a rectangle directly over the text you want to highlight. Don't worry if it covers the words for a moment. That's completely normal because we're going to move it behind the text in the next step. Try to size the rectangle so it stretches a little beyond the text on both sides. That creates a more natural banner-style highlight and makes the text stand out better. Step 4. Go to the Layers panel on the right side of Photopea. You should see the new rectangle shape layer sitting above your text layer. Now click and drag that shape layer downward until it is placed directly underneath the text layer. Once it's behind the text, the highlight will appear exactly where you want it, with the text visible on top. If the highlight doesn't line up perfectly, you can still adjust it. Select the shape layer and use the Move tool to reposition it slightly. You can also resize the rectangle if you want the highlight to be longer, shorter, taller, or thinner. This gives you a lot of control over the final look. One helpful tip is to keep the highlight slightly larger than the text itself. That extra padding makes the design feel more polished and easier to read. If you're making a thumbnail or a bold social graphic, this small detail can make a big difference in how professional your design looks. And that's it. You've now learned how to highlight text in Photopea using a simple rectangle shape behind your words. It's fast, easy, and gives you a clean, highlighted effect without needing any complicated tools. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Photopea tutorials, and let me know in the comments what else you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.